we went for a very, very happy event that happened at Holiday Inn. Now, this was an event that happened for a good cause, and if you missed it, don't worry, here's what actually happened there.
Holiday Inn, with their continuous support to the United Nations World Food Programme, hosted the Jambori Bazaar. This event was held to create awareness of hungry children around the world and to achieve their goal of feeding 100,000 children by the end of this year.
The initiative is called the Holiday Inn Dubai Loves You campaign. It was initiated at the time when the hotel was built in 2007. And the ethos of this initiative is to go beyond the bottom line. So every initiative that we take, we do make sure that it's not for profit making at all. It's also to be able to help build civil society.
Generally, we try and do as many charity events as we can in a week, in a month, in a year, because we like to put back into the community whatever the community gives to us on a regular basis. So that's our aim, to help out as many charities as possible.
As usual, Holiday Inn made it a fun-filled afternoon with a special international food court full of diverse cuisines.
The money collected from this event aimed to feed hungry children from all over the world, and the event organizers made sure that they reached their target and did their bit for this noble cause.
All the dishes are donated by the Holiday Inn for people to understand that every time they buy a plate of samosas for 10 dirhams, you're going to be feeding 10 hungry children in the world. Or you buy a plate of fatouche, you're going to be feeding 10 hungry children. Or if you buy satay, it's going to be 15 hungry children. Hopefully we'll raise enough to be able to feed 35,000 hungry children in the world today and help us to fulfill our pledge of 100,000 for 2012.
There was also dancing to the lively rhythms of Power Living by Ahlam Ali. And it's only right to say that this spectacular and successful afternoon ended with a bang.
People around here, like, they love to learn new steps, and what they do daily basis, they want to like do these steps in any number if they go to their parties, clubs, anywhere. So it was, from my side, it was again indulging them into one of the foot tapping music here and do the Power Bhangra.